excited and nervous and anxious?
All of it. Yeah.
We know, budget is a big deal, and where you've been left behind is a big deal. And so one of the wonderful things that you're going to hear today is that we were able to find vendors that we use here in the showroom, and they're going to be donating the lighting.
Wow. We're so grateful.
I'm just very speechless about it. I'm so excited for this. Yes. Oh, I can't wait. Thank you so much.
Everything is coming together. Everything looks beautiful. We got a little work done today. Poonam and I put some sweat equity in ourselves. The kitchen looks beautiful downstairs.
This is going to be their home now. We love personal touches. So the idea here is just kind of Colorado casual. Stark white, real black and white setting, real clean lines, so that we can turn this over really, really quickly and get it back to them.
How about that? Guys, this is a lot to take on, Rico. This is a lot to look at one time.
You're not wrong.
I'm looking across the room. I got my fire going over there. Wow.
Oh my
Incredible.
gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh.
Amazing. What?
This is so
Go for it, guys.
pretty.
Of course, lighting was such a big thing, and we got this awesome lighting, the brass fixtures. I mean, it just pops with that white kind of
Yes,
brand.
How big the cabinet is?
Yep.
Wow. The lighting on the stairs is just the coolest
Yes,
thing.
the
Oh my
track
goodness.
lighting is cool.
Wow. I didn't think anything was going to work in here for space. I really
It
didn't.
looks really well.
I do love the mid-century modern look, custom railing, modern LED lighting.
Whoa, oh my gosh. Look at the size of this.
We did a lot when it comes to this kitchen.
This is way bigger though.
Very dark, and it just was too enclosed. We could see the aesthetic is completely different. Very modern look.
Totally, that's our vibe.
I'm in love with all the sexy LED lighting as well.
Yeah, lights are awesome.
Let me know what you think about the chandelier here.
It's not the one that I picked, and I like it even better.
Oh my gosh.
I love it.